Hayleys Landscaping Solutions of Hayleys Agriculture Holdings Limited take pride in transforming any challenging environment into stunning, sustainable landscapes. Our work at the prestigious ITC Ratnadipa Hotel in Colombo showcases our expertise, where we carefully crafted a serene, luxurious softscape that perfectly complements the hotel's architecture. Spanning 2.74 acres, this project aligns with ITC Hotel's LEED Platinum standards, providing a unique opportunity to merge ecological mindfulness with aesthetic elegance.
This project is Indian investment, around $500 million US, and this is an international hotel. First time they have built here out of the India. I want to appraise this Hayleys Softscape team because they have done beautiful landscape. You can see from top, bottom, in the swimming pool area, in the retail prominent area, in level 27, everywhere they have done this softscape. This is really a challenge to shift the material on the top of floor, shift the soil on the top, shift the big trees from the tree bank area, which is far from here, 200 to 50 kilometers. They are bringing the trees here. You can see when you are visiting this hotel, everywhere the green area, and this is done by Softscape team of Hayleys.
Our landscaping work covered 2.14 acres at ground level and 0.60 acres across 6 rooftop gardens from the basement to level 28, including the level 21, the Sky Bridge. We meticulously planted 405 grown trees, 337 grown palms, and over 70,000 shrubs and ground covers, creating vibrant green spaces throughout. A highlight was the groundbreaking installation of 77 matured coconut palms at 22 meters above ground level, a pioneering feat for any hotel in Sri Lanka. These palms thrive in specially designed troughs, ensuring optimal growth. The Jala Angane rooftop garden at the 4th floor, with 30 matured coconut palms and stunning views of the ocean and Bairo Lake, exemplifies our commitment to integrating natural beauty with architectural finesse. Our 5-acre designated plant nursery ensured a steady supply of high-quality plants, reducing external dependency and underscoring our commitment to cost efficiency and sustainability. This project showcases our service excellence in creating innovative, sustainable landscapes that enhance architectural splendor, offering guests an exceptional experience. At Hayleys Landscaping, we believe that every project is an opportunity to blend nature with modern design, creating spaces that inspire and delight.
In terms of quality aspect, we can't think of any alternate apart from Hayleys Landscape. In all the plants with the suitable specifications in terms of tree height, girth, fonts, everything they match to the required specification provided by consultant, Bodega funnel. And then finally, I want to highlight the dedication day and night, without sun, with rain, full time.
We are honored to have contributed to the stunning softscaping at ITC Ratnadipa Colombo, setting a new standard for luxury and sustainability in Sri Lanka. Hayleys Landscaping Solutions, where nature meets elegance.